So what we're going to do to make this easy on ourselves is we're going to put a couple of these straps on, not completely tight, but just get them on there so that it will hold this up for us while we do all of our adjustments. So like I said, not going to be super tight, and putting these ones on will help you in the long run because they're a little bit of a bear once you get it up on here. So that is where those go. So we got our middle basically in. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna feed it under here or over here. And I would highly recommend. See, it still works. So just gotta get it under there, get it nice and tight, and voila. And then I already cleaned that with brake clean, so we're gonna go ahead and peel that. And then we'll open our strap and pull it nice and tight. And we'll stick that on. And we'll tighten our strap. And I'm gonna wrap this around right here. Peel that off. And there it is. Right there. Check it out. StarknightMT. Stick that. Okay, so basically I just did the same thing here that I did here. Cleaned it up and just stuck the Velcro to it. Like I said, this one's not gonna go. This one I was able to get a little bit and looks sweet. And you might be asking yourself, like, with all this stuff, how do I get in here, right? Well, easy. Unzip the window and get in. And then you get in, and from the inside you just zip it back up. The rear, how do I get in here? Unzip it, and then it's got Velcro right here. You do that, and then you get in. Zip the window back up. Velcro back on. Easy squeezy, lemon peasy. So check this out. Looking good. Alright, so here's the test. Let's sit in it. And it is brand new and it's really cold out here. So this is going to be kind of a little wrinkly, but it will wear in. And when it goes through a couple heat cycles, those little ripples will fan out. It'll be awesome. Well, let's do the big test. Let's sit in it. All right, why not? So let's see how easy it is to do from the inside. So we'll close it. We'll grab our zipper. my stupid little handle thing out of the way. Perfect. I'm telling you guys, it looks good. Look at that. Look at the crawler. You can see really good out of it, actually. Better than I thought. Yeah. Well, everybody, this cab enclosure did amazing. It was absolutely awesome inside there. We didn't get muddy, we didn't get wet, we didn't get cold. It was so comfortable in there, and this works nice inside the cab. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Totally recommend this, and go check them out, StarknightMT.